How are you, student? I'm fine, sir. Nice to meet you. Happy to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Beijing. How many family members do you have? I have. What does your father do? He is a postmaster. What does your mother do? She's housewife. Are you elder of your brother? No, I'm small. What's your hobby? My hobby is study books. Which book are you reading? English books. Do you speak English? Yes, sir. Which game do you like? Football. Why do you like football? Because it's best for me. Do you watch TV? Yes, sir. Do you exercise every day? Yes, in the morning. What's your future plan, teacher? Thank you for your time. You're welcome. See you again. See you again soon. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.